Hey, this is my review of the DeWalt 18 gauge brad nailer and air compressor. It can be a little intimidating to use at first, but actually it's pretty easy. You just load your brad nails in here. And I've got some here, I bought from Arrow. These are just the 1.5 inch brad nails. You kind of get it loaded up there, and it kind of tells you here on the side, the size and how big you can, what kind of nails you can put in it. And then you can also flip it between trigger mode, with the one nail, and then you lift this guy up, turn it, and that just puts it where when you press the tip multiple times you can put nails in that way. And here's the compressor. When you turn it on, it'll go to its max, which is 165. That's on the gauge there. For the nail gun, they recommend between 70 and 80 psi to turn it on or to operate it. And to hook it up, just air fitting like that, and you're ready to go. Looks like they have a couple extra tips here if you ever need to replace that.